This is HiTable, the newest smart coffee table. It is designed with high-quality materials. With this table, you can enjoy with your family and friends. Tempered glass makes it more durable from scratching. Controlling this table is so easy with elegantly designed touch control pad. With two integrated coffee heaters, you can keep your drink warm. You can easily charge your phone with a wireless charger. A simple touch opens a modern USB hub and allows you to connect all USB devices with your smart table. For charging any other device, you have two child safety outlets. If you want to charge your phone with a cable or share data with a smart table, easily connect it through a USB hub. You can change up to 14 different colors, and each color has 5 levels of brightness. It is carefully designed to fit in every living room. Each coffee heater has indicator to show you current temperature with smooth LED light animation. LED ambient light gives table a future design. HiTable runs powerful PC with a 27-inch touchscreen display. You can search on web, edit documents, and do whatever you need on Windows 10 platform. This PC is for everyone. We designed HiTable for all of you. That's because it comes in so much different colors.